Hello there. I enjoyed doing the bubble wrap dips so much when I had my first attempt at it and my second attempt that I've decided today that I'm going to try it again, this time with a slightly smaller bubble than the last one, and they're round instead of square. I don't know how well you can see that, but they are quite decent bubbles. They're not puffed out a long way, and I have taped that piece of bubble wrap to a puppy pad. I can't tape it to my plastic undersheet because it won't stick. My canvas is larger than the one I used last time. It's one that I scraped to reuse, and it is a 14-inch by 18-inch, which just fits the bubble wrap once I've put the paint on. And the colours I'm using today are my titanium white, which is of course Renoart, and my Renoart black, and also Renoart gold. And the other two colours that I'm using today are Pearl Sapphire from Montmartre, the Dimensions range, and Pearl Wine Red, also Montmartre Dimensions range. The consistency is quite thick. Quite not gluggy, but thicker than what I would normally use, as I found in my first attempt at the bubble wrap pour that the thicker paint seemed to work really well. So working with bubble wrap for me is still in the experimental stage, and today I've decided that I'm going to completely cover my bubble wrap in white before I start putting my other colours down. Again, just randomly, I don't want to do any sort of a pattern with it, to see what I can make. So I will start now. that'll do for the colours. I've got a real hodgepodge there, but I'm liking it very much, though, that colour mix. And now I'm going to get my canvas and press it down onto these colours, and it has to be done very carefully because I want the colours to completely cover the canvas, but I don't want it to be just a mixed up mess. So I'm looking for those colours to actually come out under the sides here on all the edges so that I can be pretty sure that the canvas is completely covered. But if it's not, I'll do what I did last time and I'll add some small water balloon repairs to it. It feels good on the bubble wrap because the canvas is kind of a little bit bouncy on it, and it feels nice and soft, and all I need is for a complete covering of the paint. And I think I've pretty much done it. I don't want to, as I said, I don't want to make just a mess. So I might just leave it at that now and lift the painting to see what I've got. It wants to stick down hard, of course, to the bubble wrap. Another reason why the wrap is stuck so firmly to the puppy pad. And it depends on which way you lift it as to which way your pattern goes. Oh my goodness me. Wow. Oh, that is just beautiful. It's come out a lot more pastel-y than I expected. It's not the vibrant colours that I had in the last one, but I don't know how well you can see that. That is just lovely. I'm very happy with that. Huge amount of bubbles, and I know from experience that if I don't blow those bubbles out, I will end up with them popping as it's drying and looks like little acne or pock marks on the canvas if it dries with all those bubble holes. Oh my goodness me, that is just gorgeous. I'm loving it. Wow, so pastelised. It's very, very, very pretty. Something that I would love again to pull chains through, so probably what I'll do is I'll do another video with a smaller canvas which I'll also press down onto that wrap, and I'll do pull chains through it to make patterns. So now I will bring the canvas up and show you under the light. Right, I'll bring it up lengthwise. I will just turn it round and bring it up towards the light and the camera. It almost reminds me of a paisley pattern. All the colours have come out very, very well. If I was going to change one colour, I would change out the black for navy blue. But otherwise, it's just beautiful. I'm loving that pattern, and I will be trying that again sometime. A lot more bubbles this time on the bubble wrap than what I expected. But overall, a very, very pleasing result. And I'm really enjoying doing this bubble wrap dipping. My next video, I will be dipping a smaller canvas and doing a chain pull over it again, as I so much enjoyed doing the last one. That's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me. and I'll see you next time.